Families are spending more and more of their hard earned money each month on all kinds of batteries. And so many batteries find their way into the trash every single day. In fact, over 3 billion batteries are thrown away and end up in landfills each year. And that's just in the US alone. But what if I told you there was now a way to save many of these batteries and reuse them? Well, now there is because of something called Easy Battery Reconditioning. Easy Battery Reconditioning brings all kinds of old and used batteries back to life. So now, instead of buying new, overpriced batteries and throwing away your old batteries, you can recondition and reuse your old used batteries instead. And this works on everything from used car batteries to used power tool batteries. This can save you thousands of dollars on the cost of batteries over the years, and it's so simple to do. And if you want to learn how to easily revive used and old batteries, click the link below now. Stop wasting money throwing out your used batteries. Click the link below and learn how to recondition and reuse them instead.